Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek and I have completed my BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from my SSI PMT Raipur in 2018 itself. After that, I started working with one of the company together as a digital marketing executive. While working, I was also learning about the technologies, but was not regular onto it. So I wanted to switch to the development field, but somehow I was not able to make it. And when I was about to switch, I just found 10x Academy through Instagram, and then I started. Then I joined the 10x Bootcamp, and now after 6 months, I got placed. Yeah, so before joining the 10x Academy, for me, there was no, I was not able to find a particular late way, like how I can proceed for this developer field. But after joining, the things got clear, and there are a lot of sessions like GD sessions, one-on-one sessions, and mock interviews really helped me a lot into this. I got to know about the 10x Academy while scrolling through the Instagram. Basically, that was the only point where I got to know about 10x Academy. And when I joined it, and the best part about it was it was a pay after placement program, because I was already looking for such kind of program. So before joining 10x, I had gone through a lot of challenges. I was feeling few difficulties, like not able to solve the questions easily, because I didn't have any coding experience before that. So I started how it got resolved. There were mentors who were available to actually help me in each and every point. So if you are facing any issues, then there is a Slack channel where you can actually ask the questions, and you get responses immediately. So that thing actually helped me to get on the point. And after a month or so, we had started GD sessions. So this GD session actually helped a lot in removing those difficulties which I was facing earlier. This one-on-one mentor session actually helped a lot, because it helped me rectify the problems, like whatever the issues I am facing, whatever the strategies I am putting is right or wrong or not. And the feedback which I got really helped a lot, because they judge on each and every point, like whatever the strategy I was applying is right or not, whether it's a good approach or not, and all. So yeah, it really helped a lot. So accordingly, the best part about this 10x Academy Bootcamp is the GD sessions, because it really helped you to open up with the peoples, and while if it's just kind of an interview thing which you are practicing on a daily basis. So it's basically kind of an interview where you have to be ready, because in the group discussion you don't know who is going to be present. So the main best part about this 10x Bootcamp is the GD sessions, which I feel, because it helped me in so many ways, from the communication to opening up with the people, and to start working with the people. Because in a group of 10, you are speaking and you are talking and you're explaining the problem. So it actually helps us in the thinking process as well. That I actually feel like it is one of the best part of the 10x. So mock interviews it's just a kind of a real interview where you get to know a lot of things, like what type of questions the company asks, what kind of tasks they do provide you before hiring you. So yeah, and from the mock interviews we got to know about where we can actually improve, what part we are lacking at. So yes, the mock interview session really helped a lot.